We all love Fanta Fusion. Mixing this delicious drink with ice is a refreshing and unique experience that drives us crazy to consume it. You could even say becoming addicted to its sweet and delicious flavor is inevitable. Perhaps while you're watching this video, your craving for a sip might increase. But behind this addictive beverage lies a manufacturing process that might make you see it differently. Fanta has always kept its formula and production process strictly secret. Have you ever stopped to think about how this product is actually made? What could they be hiding behind the Fanta formula? Well, we're here to uncover it for you. So get comfortable and let's begin. Believe it or not, Fanta was created by Coca-Cola. It all happened during World War II in 1940 in Nazi Germany. Due to trade restrictions and embargoes preventing the import of necessary Coca-Cola ingredients into Germany, Max Keith, the director of Coca-Cola's German subsidiary, had to find a solution to keep the business running. He decided to create a new beverage using available local ingredients, such as whey and apple pomace, resulting in a completely new drink they named Fanta. The name comes from the German word fantasy, meaning imagination, reflecting the creativity needed to develop the product in challenging times. And that's how one of the world's most famous beverages was born. Now that you know its origin, join me inside the factory and let's see its production process. Step number 1. Development of the secret formula. The Fanta formula has been a well-guarded mystery since its inception, leading many to wonder what this popular soda really contains. Thanks to various scientific studies, it's been deciphered that the main ingredient in Fanta is water, comprising approximately 90% of the drink's base. This component is crucial for diluting other ingredients and providing the necessary volume for the beverage. Water not only serves as a base, but also facilitates the homogeneous mixing of the other components, ensuring a consistent experience with every sip of Fanta. To this, sugars are added, typically in the form of high fructose corn syrup or refined sugar, which not only sweeten the beverage, but also influence its texture, giving it that mouthfeel enjoyed by consumers. The characteristic flavor of Fanta comes from its orange concentrate, which is the true heart of the drink. This concentrate is a blend of enriched orange juice with a combination of natural and artificial flavors that enhance Fanta's distinctive citrus profile. These additional flavors work together to intensify and perfect the orange taste, giving the beverage its unmistakable freshness and intensity that attracts consumers. Citric acid is another key component used to provide acidity and freshness, simulating the natural flavor of citrus fruits. This gives Fanta its unmistakable zest that balances the sweetness of sugars, ensuring the beverage stays fresh for longer. Preservatives and colorants are added to prolong its shelf life and give it that vibrant orange color. Finally, carbonation gives Fanta its characteristic effervescence. Carbon dioxide is dissolved into the drink, creating bubbles that make it refreshing and pleasant on the palate. We all love feeling that refreshing fizz paired with the intense orange flavor. Step number 2. Ingredient mixing. Once the formula is developed, the next stage is mixing the ingredients on an industrial scale, carried out in highly automated production plants. In this process, flavor concentrate is combined with water, sugars, citric acid, and other ingredients to create the final beverage. Precision is key to ensure the product is uniform and of high quality. First, sugar or high fructose corn syrup is mixed with purified water to create a sweet syrup. This syrup undergoes filtering and pasteurization to remove impurities and ensure product safety. Once the syrup is ready, flavor concentrate and citric acid are added in exact amounts according to the precise formula to maintain the desired flavor profile. Concentrated orange juice is then incorporated into this mixture, vigorously stirred in large tanks to fully integrate all components and ensure consistent flavor in each batch. Once the mixture is well integrated, it is ready to be carbonated and packaged, completing the Fanta production process. Step number 3. Carbonation. Carbonation is a crucial step in Fanta production as it provides the drink with the bubbly and refreshing sensation we enjoy. Carbonation is achieved by injecting carbon dioxide into the syrup and water mixture under pressure. This gas dissolves into the liquid, forming small bubbles that release CO2 when the bottle or can is opened. It's truly satisfying to hear the characteristic effervescent sound of gas escaping when opening the can, a sign of perfect carbonation, promising a refreshing and bubbly experience. The level of carbonation is meticulously controlled to ensure the drink maintains its perfect consistency, avoiding it being too flat or excessively fizzy. Technicians adjust pressure and temperature precisely during the process to optimize carbon dioxide dissolution. Thus, each bottle of Fanta offers a refreshing and balanced experience with just the right amount of bubbles to delight every consumer's palate. Step number 4. Filtration and pasteurization. Before being bottled, Fanta undergoes a meticulous filtration process designed to eliminate any residual particles that may remain from the raw ingredients. This step is crucial to ensure the final product is clean and of high quality, offering a perfectly clear beverage free from impurities. Additionally, the mixture undergoes pasteurization, heating it to a carefully controlled temperature high enough to eliminate any potentially harmful microorganisms, yet preserving the fresh and distinctive flavor of Fanta. Step number 5. Packaging. Packaging is a crucial stage in Fanta production, where it ensures the carbonated beverage remains in perfect condition until it reaches the consumer. During this phase, every detail is meticulously handled to preserve freshness, effervescence, and product safety. Before Fanta is packaged, all bottles and cans undergo a meticulous cleaning and sterilization process. This process guarantees the removal of any impurities or contaminants that could affect the quality of the beverage. Bottles and cans are rinsed with purified water and, in some cases, subjected to high-pressure air blowing for thorough cleanliness. The filling of containers is done using high-precision automatic machines that precisely dose the amount of Fanta into each bottle or can. This process must be extremely fast and precise to avoid carbonation loss, as speed and control are essential to preserve the bubbles that give Fanta its distinctive effervescent texture. Once filled, containers are immediately sealed to prevent the escape of carbon dioxide and the entry of air, which could lead to beverage oxidation and compromise its flavor. Bottles are tightly sealed with metal or plastic caps, while cans are sealed with aluminum discs, ensuring an impenetrable barrier that preserves Fanta's freshness and quality until it is enjoyed by the consumer. Step number 6. Quality inspection. After packaging, each batch of Fanta undergoes rigorous quality control. This process includes both automated tests and manual inspections. Automated tests can detect issues such as improper sealing, lack of carbonation, or inconsistencies in filling. Additionally, random samples from each batch are taken for sensory, chemical, and microbiological testing. These tests ensure the beverage meets Coca-Cola Company's standards for taste, freshness, and food safety. Step number 7. Labeling, packing, and distribution. Once passing quality control, bottles and cans of Fanta proceed to the labeling process. Labels contain important information such as the brand, flavor, ingredients, nutritional information, and expiration date. After labeling, bottles and cans are grouped into packs for easier distribution. Packaging is designed not only to protect the product during transport, but also to attract consumers at retail points. Finally, packaged Fanta is ready for distribution to retailers, such as grocery stores, supermarkets, restaurants, and other points of sale worldwide. allowing consumers to enjoy its refreshing and delicious taste from anywhere in the world. Tell me, is this how you expected Fanta to be made? Fanta is committed to ensuring every drop of its refreshment meets consumer expectations worldwide, guaranteeing optimal quality in all its products. Each stage of production is designed to deliver a consistent and satisfying experience. From its refreshing taste to the bubbly texture we all know and love. However, it's important to remember that while Fanta is a delicious beverage, it is loaded with sugars and additives that can have negative health effects if consumed excessively. Enjoying a Fanta occasionally can be a pleasure, but it's always recommended to balance its consumption with healthier options to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In conclusion, we have a question for you. Will you continue to enjoy it?